Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell, and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. The American Kestrel, or Sparrow Hawk, scientific name Falco Sparverius, is the smallest and most common falcon in North America. It makes its nest in cavities in trees, cliffs, buildings, and other structures. The female lays 3 to 7 eggs, which both sexes help to incubate. Its breeding range extends from central and western Alaska, across North Canada to Nova Scotia, and south throughout North America into central Mexico and the Caribbean. It is often seen in the Jamaican skies. The American Kestrel is a well-established species that has evolved into 17 subspecies adapted to different environments and habitats throughout the Americas. They exhibit sexual color dimorphism, which is rare among hawks. The male is the more colorful. The bird plumage is colorful and attractive, and the juveniles are similar in plumage to the adults. Its diet typically consists of grasshoppers and insects, lizards, mice, and small birds. Example, sparrows. This broad diet has contributed to its wide success as a species. The bird ranges from 22 to 31 centimeters, approximately 8.7 to 12.2 inches in length, with a wingspan of 51 to 61 centimeters, approximately 20 to 24 inches. The female kestrel is larger than the male. The American kestrel has three basic vocalizations: the clay or killy, the whine, and the chitter. The clay is usually delivered as a rapid series when the kestrel is upset or excited. The whine call is primarily associated with feeding, but is also uttered during copulation. The chitter is used in activities that involve interaction between male and female birds, including courtship, feeding, copulation, and the feeding of nestlings. The American kestrel usually hunts in energy-conserving fashion by perching and scanning the ground for prey to ambush, though it also hunts from the air. It sometimes hovers in the air with rapid wing beats while homing in on prey. The American kestrel is a common bird used in falconry, especially by beginners. It is not a strong flyer as many other large falcons. Proper training and weight control by the falconer allows many American kestrels to become effective hunters of birds in the size range of sparrows and starlings, with occasional success against birds up to approximately twice their own weight. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.